drop.
Step 2. Tie your hair back. Step 3. If you're doing this with a friend, make sure your t-shirts are matching. Hey, we got the same t-shirt.
Yo, bro!
Oh, we should totally make pancakes together.
Oh, yeah!
Right. You need a bowl, 1 egg,
Some plain flour.
and a carton of milk. You then mix the egg, the milk and the flour all together.
Here's what we made earlier.
Oh. You then fill your pan with oil. Ready for this? You gotta get zoom in on this.
Oh!
Not too much oil though, because that's too much oil, basically. And grab your pancake mix. It's nice and sharp. Don't play with it.
Pour your mixture into the saucepan. And kind of roll it around. Now put it in the microwave for 1 minuto.
And watch it go round. Check your chocolate and give it a stir because it might be all lumpy. But if you stir it, then it just like finishes off the melting. Chocolatey goodness. So we turned our melted chocolate into chocolate mousse. We're going to sprinkle strawberries all over the shop. Seriously, if you tried it, you've now got to wash up. Whoa. Remember kids, it's still hot. Rosie's pancake flip, take 3. Oh, it's gone all over the cooker. And now it looks like an omelette. Jacob.
That's Careless by Jack Beats. You're listening to BBC Radio 1.
Jacob. Boom, 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 boom.